Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, I'm Jade Nikayla, and today I am going to be showing you guys the new Curls Green collection. So one thing that I love about this collection is that it's vegan, and it also uses a bunch of natural ingredients such as sea kelp, cucumber, green tea, bamboo, and avocado. So first, I'm going to use the Sea Kelp Curl Cleanser, and I'm just going to lather it all through my hair. I'm going to start from the root and end at the tip, and make sure that I scrub my scalp really good. Make sure you rinse this out. Then I'm going to rinse my hair with the green tea hair rinse, and I'm going to rinse this out after 5 minutes. This can also be a replacement for apple cider vinegar rinses. Then I moisturized my hair with this sea kelp and cucumber mask, and I made sure I used the spoon that it comes with because it has a very thick consistency. Rinse after 30 minutes. Make sure you coat this product all throughout your hair from root to tip, especially if you have thick hair like me. Then I treated my hair with the bamboo protein treatment. Make sure you use the spoon as well because it has a thick consistency. Make sure you lather this all throughout your hair. Then I just like to take a wide tooth comb and comb all the way throughout my hair, giving it a nice detangle. Now I'm just going to finish off my hair with the Avocado Hair Mousse. I like to scrunch my curls with this product just to give it that pop of life. This mousse is a botanical mousse that is alcohol free, therefore it has a low foam effect. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. This collection is available now online and in Target stores.